dental hygienist. What's the deal with this Frida baby toothbrush? My name is Amalia. I've been a dental hygienist for 16 years and have seen lots of things come through the dental chair. But one thing I get questions about a lot is this triple brush. So when you look at it, there's three sides of the bristles. This is kind of an interesting model of a toothbrush, and it can be beneficial if you're using it correctly. So when you brush with this brush, you want to not only go straight on, but you want to angle towards the gums on the facial or on the front of the teeth, angle towards the gums on the tongue side. You're going to do that entire mouth. I mean, this model is missing some posterior back teeth, but you want to kind of angle it and then angle it instead of just straight on. And this will ensure you get where the tooth and the gum come together. That's a very important part that bacteria get caught on. And we want to keep that super clean. We want to make sure our gums are staying really clean as well. So don't be shy. You can definitely use it to help save time, but I want you to angle it and angle it. And then you will find the bristles start to flare because kids like to chew on it. It's kind of soft. So once the bristles are flaring, or you're noticing this blue on the inside of the bristles is going away, we want to dispose of it and get a new one. Toothbrushes should be changed out every 3 months. They get a lot of bacteria and they wear down, but if you notice that the bristle's starting to flare or look worn out, you actually want to replace it before that. So try it out if you have a little one that has a hard time brushing and wants to fight you with brushing. This could be a great option for you.